Yeah.
My name is Miss Tamari, and today we're going to review and demo the Makeup by Mario Surreal Foundation. The color I have is 19C. What I like is the packaging is very sleek, very minimalist, black package with the writing. And on the side you can see the color of the foundation. And this is the foundation bottle. It's a glass bottle. It has a pump nozzle, which is always a plus. And again, I have the color 19C. I already started off by moisturizing my face. I'm going to use the Milk Hydrating Primer Hydro Grip. This is the packaging. This is a water-based foundation. You get 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 milliliters. It is sold at Sephora. It comes available in 30 shades. And it retails for $42. It claims to give you a natural finish. It's a medium coverage. It's a liquid formula, but the consistency of the formula is a little thick for me. It's not too runny, which is a plus. The foundation claims to be long wearing. On the packaging, it has the highlighted ingredients, which was perfecting powders, which claims to work with the skin for a natural texture for a smooth finish. I like to apply my foundations with a beauty blender, and this is 1 coat, 1 layer of this foundation. I do see that it gives me a nice luminous glow. And as I stated before, this is a medium coverage foundation. So if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, you can apply this at least twice, put 2 coats, layer it on, and you can get that full coverage foundation. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and follow me for more foundation reviews. The foundation does have a light smell, which is not overpowering, which is great. I do like the way it blends down. I do like the way it wears. I'm just going to finish the rest of my face, and we're going to get to my thoughts of this foundation. foundation once I put the whole foundation on. But after I set it, it went away just a little bit. But as it goes along, it oxidized just a little. So it does still give me a skin-like finish. So I'm gonna put my glasses on and see if I can see any flecks. I do see a few flakes in it, but that is a plus. So it gives your skin a little bit glow, which is always a plus. But for me personally, I like a demi soft matte foundation, but I do like the way it feels on my skin. It did not have any smells. It had like a light smell, but nothing overpowering, which is good. This is a water-based foundation, so you use a water-based primer to use under this foundation. And it does not settle in any fine lines, which is a plus for me. I like the way it looks once it's settled just a little. And I put my powder and everything on, and I finish my whole face, and this is the outcome. I like the way it looks. I like the way it applies. I did use the beauty blender to apply it. So if you have tried the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation, leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what your thoughts of it. If you tried it and you didn't like it, and what you didn't like about it, and what